Hey, welcome back. Alright, this video is going to be chock-a-block. We got heaps to see. We've just left Perth. We're heading north and making our way up the coast. We're stopping at a bunch of different places. Tonight we're going to be around Jurien Bay, but we're checking straight up, heading to the Pinnacles in the Nambung National Park to check those out. After that, tomorrow night we're in Jurien Bay, so we're really keen to check out that place. It just looks beautiful. But we're going to keep heading north, Geraldton, Caravan, Kalbarri, everything in between. So plenty to see. Stay tuned, rock and roll. And we are here, the Pinnacles. This place is epic. Check it out. So we've just come in with a lovely lady at the office who just had to check our parks pass. Saved us 16 bucks, I think, 15 bucks or something to get in, so money well spent. But we've made our way in. You can't drive in with your van on, but there's heaps and heaps of trailer parking, long vehicle, coach parking, that kind of stuff. So we've just unhitched, left the van behind and driven in. It's about a 4 kilometre loop apparently, and then you hop out and walk around and check it out. So pretty awesome spot. I've seen similar things in different places, but this is definitely the coolest so far. Check it.
Turn the page, stop, look and listen what media say, real or fake, anyway, life is what you make it, but the building's burning down, and people rush out, while jumping out of windows, but there is no need to save them now, so settle down, while you just watch, you must be out of your head. I guess I'm out of my head too. You must be out of your head. I guess we make a good pair too. You must be out of your head.
How's this? Jurien Bay foreshore is just magic. Gorgeous. We had a fish off the jetty earlier today. We got here pretty early this morning because we were camped at a free camp just down the road, and we spent most of the day fishing off the jetty here, and I'm just walking around to have a quick swim before dinner. But it is beautiful, a bit blowy, but otherwise magic. Check it out. Morning all. Alright, we are currently stopped and waiting at the, what's it called? Sandy Cape camping ground. It's just north of Jurien Bay. It was only about a 20-minute drive, and it is one popular little campground. I tell you, they've got running water, flushing toilets, there's looks to be cold outdoor showers, little camp kitchen and everything, but the place is packed. So we've just spoken to the caretaker who's on site here, and she's managed to find us. There's someone about to leave. We can see them packing up now, so we're going to pull into there. But today's adventures, we're hoping to make it to the Stockyard caves, or in the nearby national park, which I think is just about maybe an hour drive north from here, heading towards Geraldton. But also there looks like heaps of sand dunes, a nice beach to check out as well, so we might even get the drone up and take a look. But stay tuned, hopefully we can have some adventures today. Rock and roll. Just heading into the Stockyard Gully caves now, and we've hit the last probably, I don't know, 2.5–3 k's of track, and as you can see it's definitely four-wheel drive. I mean it's been pretty hard most of the way. You could probably do it at a pinch in a two-wheel drive, but there's definitely some soft spots there that if it were wet in particular, you'd want a four-wheel drive just to make sure you're going to get in and out safely. There is a big turnaround point just at the start of the four-wheel drive track, so if you do come down here with a two-wheel drive, you can turn around and get yourselves back out. But I'll keep an eye on the rest of the track, and if it stays like this, you could probably do it in a two-wheel drive. Anyway, keen to see what's at the end of this. We've seen a few people coming out, so it must be pretty popular. Anyway, stay tuned for some cave adventures. Rock and roll.
God that hates anyway. Life is what you...
We need our torches on.
Wow, this is cool. I'm going to see if I can put the GoPro into night mode or something similar, low light mode. This cave is sensational. We've just walked in. It's got to be, what, at least 7 or 8 degrees cooler just as you step inside the cave. It's just unreal. Keen to see what's to be found inside. Let's check it out.
You want it on that bright light colour.
How's it going?
It's so cool in here.
My caving family. Wow. Wow. That was a quick walk, wasn't it?
It's so cool.
Oh, isn't it beautiful? It was maybe a 5-minute walk. Beautiful cave though. Sensational. Right in the middle, it is so pitch perfectly black that you turn your torches off and you can't see a thing. It's just awesome. But we're at the other end now, and I guess we'll either go back through the cave or complete the circuit, which I think is about a 1.7 kilometre circuit. So just beautiful. What a spot. Highly recommend. I will admit though, the track in did get a little bit sketchy. Some sharp rocks, you would need some high clearance. Would not recommend with the two-wheel drive, unfortunately. Anyway, we're going to keep exploring. Maybe have some lunch in a cave.
The way back through.
Things burning down and people rush out while jumping out of windows, but there is no need to save them now. So settle down while you just watch. You must be out of your head. I guess I'm out of my head too. You must...
Oh, what a spot. Now I see why it's so popular. Yeah, so just down the beach from the campground, walk out on the beach, turn left, walk a couple of 100 metres into the dunes. There's a lookout. So Albie and I, where are you, mate? He's coming. We've decided we're going to see if we can't find it, but it's, you kind of just got to make your way through these dunes.
There's a beach.
Pretty epic. There's another bit of the beach. It's just magic here, just beautiful.
You must guess we make a good
It was a fair mission to get up here. We couldn't find any stairs or anything, so we just climbed up the dune, but it's windy. Well worth it. Check out the view. Wow, this is just magic.
I must be out of my head.
Superb, eh?
You must be out of your head. I guess we make a good pattern. You must be out of your head. I must be out of my head. You must be out of your head. I must be out of my head. My head. You're going out of your. You must be out of your. You must be out of your. You must be out of your.
Oh, it's a fair high. A fair old high up these dunes. We'll give it a crack, eh? Do you reckon it's going to work?
Yeah.
There must be something in the air, and the water isn't clear, I really need you here, Did you really have to move to LA?
'Cause I can peek anytime you like. Stay up, yes we can peek anytime, that's fine.
There must be something in the air,
But we just pulled off the highway. We're about 20 kilometres south of Geraldton, which is our destination for the next couple of nights. And we've just pulled off the road at a little town called Greenuff, and there's quite a weird coloured river flowing out, mouth of a river that flows out to the ocean there. So I just popped the drone up. If it's any good, I'll chuck it in here. But we have some birthdays coming up in very quick succession. They're all pretty close together, but the next one is Georgia's birthday. She turns 6. When do you turn 6, G?
In one day.
One day. How exciting is that, hey? So we're spending the night tonight, or the next 2 nights, at Geraldton at a big 4 there, so the kids can have some fun. There's a pool and a jumping pillow, so a bit of a birthday treat there for Georgia for her 6th birthday. But after that, we're going to do a bit of probably a bit of free camping and make our way up the coast through Kalbarri onto Monkey Mire, Steep Point, and then ultimately into Caravan, where we're going to do some preparation for our big stint on the Ningaloo coast at Yardy Creek. So super excited, can't wait. We're there for 3 weeks, and then after that we've got a station stay for another week before we head into the NT. So super excited about that. Stay tuned and we'll see what adventures we have in Geraldton and the rest of the coast moving north. Rock and roll. Geraldton. Another awesome waterfront playground and water park for the kids. Hey, this spot's pretty magic. It's a much bigger town than I'd imagine, Geraldton. There's plenty here, so we're going to get lots of stuff done over the next couple of days, but of course, most importantly, Georgia's 6th birthday, so I think it's only fair we let her do her thing.
I really need you here, Did you
We've just pulled up the road. We've spent the afternoon down at the waterfront in Geraldton, and we've just come up to the HMAS Sydney II Memorial up on the hill, and it is quite spectacular. We're going to maybe cook up some dinner here, but check it out. It's really beautiful up here.
We built a bridge just to burn it down. We made our beds and then we sleep in the ground. We ride this ship just to let it sink. We make shit happen. We sold our souls to the
Hey darling, how you doing?
Hi.
Another car park cook up, eh?
Love a good car park sausage.
Gotta love it. You've gone wrong. Not a bad spot for it though, hey? Sun's going down over there. I'll try and get some good shots of the sun going down in a minute, but gonna enjoy a sausage and bread first. What a beautiful spot, Geraldton. This is just up from the town. Nice little lookout and memorial site.
We sold our souls and our innocence.
Cheers.
Yeah. We sold our souls to the devil for a song I haven't heard yet, so play it.
Here we go to birthday in the van today. Woohoo! Happy birthday, G. We love you so much, sweetheart, my big 6-year-old.
I'm opening up this one first.
Oh, look at all these presents that you got there. Geez, I hope it's not a total fire ban. Hey Georgia, how old are you today?
6.
6 years old, I can't believe it. Where does the time go? Oh look, you ready guys?
Pop it in.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Georgia. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Happy birthday, G.
We love you, G. Hey, well, we're on the move again today. We're up super early, well, early for us anyway, and we've left Geraldton, hit the road about 7:30 this morning. We are on our way toward Kalbarri, and we're camping just south, hopefully, on the coast at a spot called Lucky Bay. Not to be confused with the Lucky Bay in Cape Legrand. This one is just on the coast, maybe only 20 minutes or so south of Kalbarri. It's a first come first serve, and it is Easter Saturday, so we're already behind the 8 ball, and we'll be pushing to get a spot, I reckon, but we'll see. It looks like a beautiful campground. Worst case scenario, we'll just squeeze in somewhere. We'll find somewhere in the bush or off the road somewhere, so we're just playing it by ear at the moment, but hey, who knows, we might get there and the place will be deserted too. So off we push. We're probably about an hour and a half out of this Lucky Bay campground, so once we get there we're going to unhitch, lock up the van and go explore. Now there's heaps of stuff that we're going to see today, or at least over the next couple of days. Hut Lagoon, which is the pink lake along the way. There's the Nature's Window in Kalbarri. There's also the Kalbarri Airwalk, I think it's called. So pretty keen to see all these natural wonders. If today's weather is any indicator, we're just going to have a beautiful time. It is stunning this morning, perfectly still, the sun is shining, it's beautiful and warm. So Meg's having a crack. driving the van this morning, and what a perfect morning for it. Anyway, we'll see you in Kalbarri. Peace.
Whoa, 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 yeah.
Oh wow, man. Alright, well, it's Easter Saturday and we have just rolled in and set up, parked up at where are we? Lucky Bay, just south of Kalbarri, near the Hut Lagoon, and it is full on. I've just put the drone up, but it's like a festival out here. There are people everywhere. I just put the drone up and had a look at the beach, which is maybe 150 meters away from where we're parked up, but it's cool. It's like there's ants all over the beach. It's just four-wheel drives fanging around, quad bikes, trail bikes. It's full on. It's busy. Not really our cup of tea, but it's pretty cheap. It's a good location to go and explore Kalbarri. So we're here. We got 3 nights here. We stopped in and spoke to the ranger on the way in. He said pretty much if you're not parked on the road and you're not on top of a bush, then it's free game. So I expect it's probably going to get even busier than it is now, but we're going to chuff off soon, head out and see hopefully the Pink Lake at Hut Lagoon, and maybe even make our way into Kalbarri today and see the sights there. Anyway, we're all set up. I think we're going to have some lunch before we roll on. Rock and roll. We've just pulled over at the Pink Lake. It is packed. There's people lining the road, all up the side of the road. So we'll see if we can get a good vantage point and maybe even get the drone up too. Oh, I'm going to make sure I don't get hit by a car. It's hectic here.
We take
Yep, it's pretty big. I'm amazed. Hey, check it.
We sold our souls to the devil. We sold our souls and our innocence, yeah. We sold our souls to the devil. For a song I haven't heard yet, so play it. Play it! Whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa.
Hi, darling.
Hi.
Are you excited?
I'm pretty excited. Keen to see Kalbarri. Looks like a beautiful place already and we got perfect weather, so bring it on. We're going to move on now to the Kalbarri Skywalk, I reckon, and maybe There's a couple of other spots too, so we'll see how we go. See you soon. Kalbarri has not disappointed. This place is stunning. The scenery is just magnificent. I couldn't get the drone up over at the Skywalk because there were plenty of signs up saying don't do it, and there were heaps of people around, and they deserve, they have every right to enjoy the peaceful surroundings as much as I do, so I try to respect that as much as possible. So we've shot down the road a few k's, and I managed to put the drone up and get some pretty spectacular scenery anyway. The sun is probably going to go down in about an hour or so, and we've pulled over. Meg's got the cooker going again in the back of the car, but the flies here are thick and relentless. So Meg's got this high-tech system of just high-tech stuff there. Anyway, not a bad backdrop to have dinner. What do you reckon?
Dad, be careful, there's a plant somewhere.
A big one.
Yeah, actually a couple. Not a couple, Elby.
Not bad, hey? This particular spot is Nature's Window, so I think we've got to go for a bit of walk though. It looks like most people are down there. So we'll have some dinner and we'll go for a walk.
There's only one big boy.
Hey G, how does it feel to be 6 years old?
Good.
Yeah? You're grown up? Where are those big chompers going to come out?
Right here.
Really? Oh, I better watch where I'm walking if I'm going to trip over and roll down this hill. We're not quite at Nature's Window yet, but this is just spectacular. This scenery, absolutely mind-blowing.
This way?
I really need you here, need you here. Did you really have to move to LA? 'Cause I can peek anytime you like. Stay up, yes we can peek anytime, that's fine. There must be something in the air, and the water isn't clear. I really need you here, Did you?
Hey little G, what was your favourite thing about today?
The window.
The window. You liked the window, did you? I think this place is pretty cool. Do you know what this is called?
The Skywalk.
Kalbarri Skywalk.
Yeah,
It's stunning, isn't it?